In the previous video, we learned about the three main elements of a perspective drawing. Now we are going to use these elements to create two figures. The first one, a landscape, and the second one, we are going to use the elements to create an internal view of a room. First thing here, I'm going to divide the paper in two because I'm only using half of it. And there are three basic things to start drawing in perspective. The first one is using a ruler. It's very important to use it to create very good lines. The second thing is to start the drawing by the elements of perspective. And finally, an important step is to start with simple shapes. So the first thing here I am doing is to establish where the horizon line is, and I'm going to place my vanishing point right in the middle of it. Then I'm going to start this very simple house shape here. We learned this very early in school. And then I'm going to start using a ruler to create my orthogonal lines in direction to the vanishing point. I'm going to continue using the ruler to draw all the details of my drawings. And when I finish with my pencil work, I can start adding more details using using a pen. So these are the orthogonal lines, and I create more of these orthogonal lines to add more details in my landscape so it is more interesting, like the sidewalks here, road, and I continue using these lines to add more very simple houses. You can see that the ones that are in front are bigger and the ones that are at the end of the drawing are smaller. The same thing for the trees. The ones that are in the front of the drawing are a bit bigger than the others. This helps to increase the illusion that you are working with 3D shapes and not only with two-dimensional shapes. So your shapes, they become forms. So these elements of perspectives, they help you to create this illusion. Then I just keep on adding details to my drawing so it is more interesting. Then I add some mountains there in the background of my drawing, some clouds, and this is it.